Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Meteorological spring to you all. Look at these numbers. Yeah, it felt like spring out there. It warmed up eventually up into the northeast part of the state, but 63 degrees in Havre last week, 32 below zero. That's a 95-degree temperature swing in about a week. 62 in Great Falls, 60 in Helena, 54 in Cut Bank, even Butte America almost hitting 50 degrees. I guess our camera is out there enjoying some of the nice weather still. 55 degrees in Helena, some wind gusting up to about 30 miles per hour. And once again, here we are about 6:15, and look at the lights. And of course, daylight saving time is yet to even go into effect. That will happen here in a couple of Sundays, not this Sunday, but the next one. 52 in Great Falls, still some gusts of 40 miles per hour. It's still at this hour 54 in Havre. Look at Glasgow, a little cooler at 37. Some of that colder air will start working its way south very slowly. An avalanche warning continues here for the northwestern mountains. And then also, if anybody's watching from around the Lincoln area or planning on doing some snowmobiling or doing anything in the backcountry there around Seeley Lake, also some pretty nasty avalanche conditions because of all the precipitation that we've had here west of the Divide. There's been as much as an inch to an inch and a half of rain, and also some very heavy dense snow into the Swan Range up above Seeley Lake as well. The Scapegoats, pretty heavy wet snow there as well. A lot of the western mountains looking at that. Still have some snow up there at Teton Pass, and most of the Helena area looking pretty quiet. Had a few little rain showers out here near the Bear Paw Mountains and the Little Rockies earlier. Looks like we've got a couple just to the north of Fort Belknap still, and a little snow moving through upstate New York and New England on this first day of March. So here's what will happen. There still will see some snow up in the mountains and then west of the Continental Divide here. Maybe a little bit coming down into the East Glacier and Browning areas, but most of the state mainly dry through the overnight. But getting into early tomorrow morning, some rain showers, but not just liquid rain. We could have a little snow and freezing rain up on the High Line, Glasgow to Havre, eventually into the Cut Bank area by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon. Rain showers for Great Falls in Helena and Lewistown, but pretty close to northern Fergus County. Could get into some snow by Wednesday evening. Gradually, we'll see a transition from that rain over to snow here through Wednesday night into Thursday up on the High Line, and then through Thursday afternoon and evening, that snow should be working its way through Great Falls into the Helena area here. So snowfall by the time we get through Thursday, it's mainly up on the High Line, but Thursday night into Friday, it starts working its way down Interstate 15 and then also through a lot of Fergus County. Here's the forecast for tonight. Another very mild night with many areas staying above the freezing point, except northeast Montana, where we've got that winter weather advisory. 37 in Lewistown, and we'll be above freezing around the Helena area. More melting happening. Tomorrow, rain showers for Helena and Great Falls in Lewistown, but there's some of that ice. Cut Bank and Havre all the way out to the Glasgow area. More snow Wednesday night into Thursday, and then here we go. Later Thursday, the snow starts to work its way south through Great Falls, through Helena late on Thursday. Friday, a snowier day with temperatures in the 20s and the 30s, and then even into Saturday, some snow in the morning. High temperatures in Lewistown, not very spring-like, only 19. So for Helena, one more mild day, some showers in the morning, late Thursday into Friday, rain going over to snow, and we've got a pretty snowy and cold second week of March ahead of us.